Distributors using Magento for e-commerce can now seamlessly integrate with SalesPad through Cavallo's new SalesPad Magento connector. This connection allows you to easily manage your Magento e-commerce orders through SalesPad without manually rekeying orders or downloading datasets. Once set up, orders automatically sync to SalesPad, enabling faster and more accurate order fulfillment. Let's take a closer look at how easy it is to have your Magento orders flow through SalesPad. First, let's run a sample order through the process to demonstrate the simplicity. From the Magento platform, you can see a new order was placed and has a pending status. This is something I want to import to SalesPad for fulfillment. Upon running the order import, the data will come across based on what you have scheduled. So you can run this every minute, every 5 minutes, a particular time of day, a particular day of the week. You don't have to touch this once it's defined, but I'm going to go ahead and run this now on demand. Once it's run, a confirmation will show the count of the documents that were pushed to SalesPad. If I jump back to Sales Monitor and refresh it, you can see that one document was loaded into my e-commerce order import queue. Here's the item, here's the customer, order number. All the details are brought over, so now I can go ahead and process that as I would any other order with the workflow engine. Looking more into the application, you have the ability to configure different actions beyond just the order import, such as an inventory export and order export. All of these can be scheduled to run automatically. With the order export, once you have the orders in and processing has occurred, you may want to push an update back up to Magento. This update might be like tracking information back to your e-commerce platform or an order status update. So we can do an order export to keep Magento data up to date. There is an inventory export as well. The inventory export pushes your SalesPad inventory levels back up to the Magento platform. That way, your customers are seeing what is available in Magento and can't accidentally order something that is out of stock. This export also allows you to push your product details to Magento, giving you the ability to control what products are displayed in Magento. As you saw in the order import earlier, the order import allows you to import your Magento orders into SalesPad, where it all begins. You'll want these orders pushed into SalesPad so you can process them with our robust workflow and profit engine. In order to set this up, we provide an easy-to-use UI, so there's very little to no developer involvement to get the connector set up and running. Let's take a look at the order import settings that give you field-level control of the data. Under the order import settings, you can see many configurable options. The main one is your sales document assignment mapping. This is simply going to allow you to define the source and target field to map. In this instance, you can see things like Sales Document ID, which represents what order type I want to create in SalesPad and GP. In here, you can also see the zip, state, billing address, and shipping address. This is where you can select the workflow queue you'd like the e-commerce orders to enter, allowing you to use the power of SalesPad workflow and profit engine. All of that can be mapped very simply through the UI with little to no developer involvement. The order import settings include customer matching too. Customer matching will either match existing or create new customers based on the orders, so customers aren't duplicated and orders are assigned to the right customer. As you can see, demoing the SalesPad Magento connector is quick, and that's by design. The connector is simple and easy to use, resulting in a short time to value and quick return on investment. The nice thing about this connector is that once you have your settings configured and mapped, you can easily redeploy to other Magento instances by simply updating the API token and password. Ultimately, Cavallo's SalesPad Magento connector seamlessly integrates your Magento e-commerce platform to your SalesPad distribution system. Through this connector, you can utilize SalesPad's powerful workflow and profit engine and order fulfillment to process your e-commerce orders automatically, maximizing your return on investment and time. To learn more about the SalesPad Magento connector or to schedule a one-on-one demo, give us a call at 800-935-5660 or visit cavallo.com.